Hello, my name is Megan Hauptman, and I'm the Clinical Research Fellow at the University of Michigan, and this is our talk on leveraging artificial intelligence large language models for writing clinical trials proposals in dermatology. Advancements in AI have led to the development of large language models, or LLMs, that utilize algorithms that learn from data and recognize patterns to make decisions based on all available data within its training set. AI has become popular in clinical trial design with capabilities to assist in patient selection, cohort composition, and recruitment. Despite these advancements, however, AI is limited by the data it is trained on and cannot account for the nuanced context of individual research studies. The aim of this study was to evaluate 10 commonly used open access AI platforms for research proposal drafting and compare them against one human generated proposal. Specifically, we were interested in DeepSeek, ChatGPT models, Cloud, OpenEvidence, Grok, Gemini, and Llama. We requested the LLMs to write a research proposal for a study looking at the use of narrowband ultraviolet B phototherapy for psoriasis treatment in psoriasis patients of varying skin pigmentation. Human scores assessed 11 blinded proposals, 10 LLMs, and 1 human proposal on a scale of 1 to 10 for capabilities and limitations of the LLM's accuracy and comprehensiveness. We use these criteria for assessing accuracy and comprehensiveness. For accuracy, we verified all output was fact-checked by the rater and was correct, and all references cited are verifiable and from reputable sources. For comprehensiveness, we evaluated that the study is of high quality and includes comprehensive specific aims, backgrounds, data, power calculations, statistical methods, and so on. I also assessed the usability and efficiency of models. For usability, I looked at just general and ease of use, as I do not have a computer science background, so just kind of for your lay person. And then for efficiency, we measured the time taken from providing input to obtaining the final output with minimal delays or inefficiencies. We had a total of 4 residents with pretty significant research backgrounds evaluate and found that when assessing accuracy, ChatGPT model 01 scored the highest. When they assessed for comprehensiveness, they found that the ChatGPT models 03 Mini and 01 were the highest, followed by Twitter's Grok 2. Then we asked each LLM to assess blinded LLM created clinical trial proposals. And overall, they rated the DeepSeek to have the highest. And just in general, it was interesting. They rated themselves much higher than the humans did. This was followed by ChatGPT 01, and then Llama by Meta scored the lowest. Next, we had them score their own proposals on comprehensiveness. And again, DeepSeek scored high. The ChatGPT models 03 Mini and 01. And then again, Llama scored the lowest. Interestingly, they did not rate the human written proposal as perfect. All open access LLMs are highly efficient and run in a matter of seconds to minutes, allowing the researcher to save significant time in organizing sections, formatting, and ensuring coherence. Some additional features of LLMs is that they can be used in proofreading to identify inconsistencies, suggest improvements, and highlight areas requiring clarification. They also allow iterative refinements, enabling tailored outputs to meet specific requirements or needs. OpenEvidence ChatGPT excelled at understanding complex instructions and generating coherent outputs, boasting some of the most advanced LLMs. Specifically, ChatGPT 01 scored the highest by human and LLM raters for comprehensiveness and accuracy. Anthropic has 2 general purpose models, Cloud 3.1 Sonnet, which is optimized for speed, and Cloud Opus, which is optimized for intelligence. Cloud Opus scored well by the humans for accuracy. Twitter's Grok 2 scored well by humans for comprehensiveness. DeepSeek R1 scored well by LLMs for accuracy and comprehensiveness. And Meta's Llama 3.1 consistently scored the lowest for accuracy and comprehensiveness by both human and the LLM scores. A few limitations of LLMs, the first being that because of the training data cutoffs, researchers must manually incorporate the latest literature findings, and users must always verify citations because oftentimes the LLMs can hallucinate or fabricate realistic sounding but false information. In conclusion, LLMs offer a transformative approach to drafting research proposals. Paid versions of ChatGPT like O3 Mini and O1 are the highest quality as determined by the Artificial Analysis Quality Index and most versatile option of LLMs. They balance usability, speed, accuracy, and customization. These tools cannot entirely replace expert input, but do serve as powerful assistants. They streamline the development process and enhance productivity. For optimal results, researchers should combine AI-generated content with their expertise, ensuring precision and adherence to the latest research standards. Thank you.